Moving on, this current bout of slowdown in India's real estate seems to have thrown up some lessons for developers. Well, they now know it's time to turn solution providers and not just be providers of real estate. There are some clear groundbreakers in today's market, in the industry. They're lean, agile, and all they want to do is please the customer. Who are these companies and what are they doing to beat the blues? Vasudha Sharma finds out.
FDI-funded real estate developer Sare Homes, the mood is upbeat. The company just posted its best sales month this year and says it is ready to clock in more home sales despite the slowdown. The turnaround in their numbers, according to Sare, is driven by smart new IT tools that they have institutionalized in the company. The boss, a former IT man, has put all the company's finances online on a system that tracks all their payments, receivables, account books, real time. From agents to contractors to customers, every single individual or stakeholder can be isolated to check where the money is coming and going.
I think it has given us in-depth knowledge of the business. It gives us, decision-making ability on a real-time basis. Rather than again discussing an issue, waiting for reports to come in, I'm able to decide real-time as to way forward.
Apart from handling their cash flows better, execution on time and in top form is non-negotiable now at Sare because the boss is watching like a hawk.
I think it's not about control, it's also about having visibility of really what's happening. So, for example, we've got live IPTVs on all construction sites. And, one is obviously these are all on a tall towers, so we are able to scan through all sites onto Progress 24/7.
Even listed developer Ashiana Housing is channelizing all its resources into customer relations. The company is concentrating on its existing customers with whom the sales team regularly connects in person to resolve their anxieties. What they get is not just goodwill, but also new references.
Basically a Khushi meter. We call up our customer after handover, or day after handover, and we check with them on a scores from 0 to 10. How do they think, how would they rate their delivery experience? This particular theme, which we call it Mogambo Khushwa, is to check what we promised a year or 2 years back. Are we delivering those promises to our customer and beyond?
And when the gong strikes, you know another customer has received possession with success. Mogambo is happy and it's time for a ritual song and dance before the team gets back to business again. As an offshoot of their customer experience getting better, Ashiana Housing claims it has seen a definite improvement in their second quarter sales numbers. RICS India, which has been advocating adoption of global standards and best practices, reveals that companies like Tata Housing, K. Raheja Group and Mahindra Lifespaces are altering their internal processes to win back the customer.
I see lots and lots of developers coming to the RICS specifically in the context of to ensure their construction staff, their project management staff, their estimation, tendering, contract management, procurement functions are improved. And I think this is a key step forward for the industry.
It's a tough market to crack, but not an impossible one, as these companies are proving. Winning the consumer's trust is everything today. And those who will survive will be the ones who will make delivery and transparency their priority. With camera person Sumi Deogam, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.